recording. Just otherwise you're skew.
Yeah.
People don't realise that. Okay, so the side is fairly short. Where do you normally cut your hair?
Also the guy cut by at home.
Oh, he comes.
Yeah. No, it's not come home. I'm going to his place. Yes, his sitting room is all the mirrored, everything there.
Oh, also in this area?
No, a little bit, maybe 15 minutes drive. But almost the case. My daughter's school that side and working a little bit farther as well, so.
Okay.
There's a Terita.
Look at that already. She's coming to peek.
Hi, Terita.
Alright, I'm just going to swing you around.
I think, Terita, you should be that side, huh?
That's alright, as long as she doesn't totally around.
Around.
Oh yeah, you can.
Right there.
Just let's move the chair a bit.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, that's it.
Your drink is getting a lot of hair there.
That's okay, it's a coffee.
Coffee.
It's a coffee.
Right.
And
It is that I got cut those tiles there. Daddy wants to stick those tiles.
Yeah.
Daddy heard what I did. He said, "Oh, Daddy wanted to plant something there," but I said, "Oh, you can't stick more tiles there." He said, "Okay." He went to buy more tiles, but he wants to stick it, but he doesn't want to stick it. There's no more to cement. Six bags. Yeah, but he doesn't want to now.
because he's busy. Can you put that side, please?
I need the other side or this side?
Yeah.
Yeah, you must stay there. You must stay there because you're in my camera
You
now.
need to sit there.
You will get a chance later to be in the camera, girl.
But you're not going to dance and sing,
Right
yeah?
now, it's your aunt's turn
I know.
to be in the camera.
Terita, you're going to make your hair very, very short.
We're going to make
like
it
a boy.
pretty, not like a boy now.
Yeah.
Look,
I think it will look pretty.
like after mommy cuts it my hair.
Mommy can't cut your hair very short.
No, mommy wants to cut my hair. Mommy wants to cut my hair. Not that short. It's not like
Yeah?
a boy.
Not like a boy.
No.
But don't worry, you have pretty
Wow,
face. Nobody
that's a
thinks.
lot of hair.
You got a very
Yes.
pretty face.
I didn't know you got that much hair.
And the color is going to look quite good as well.
Wow.
And there's a lot of hair now.
Yeah, the whole floor's now
Full of
we have
hair,
to
yeah.
sweep.
Yeah, Terita
After
going
we
to sweep
clean
for us.
down the
Huh?
house. You want to wish these flies would stop coming here.
Turn you a little bit on the chair.
Oh, where's that baby bird? Can you see that egg in that basket like we picked
Yeah.
up? We picked up the egg.
Oh, okay.
A
Where's the
whole
egg now?
The whole one is in that nest.
Oh, okay.
Bird nest. Wow.
Because it's warm there.
I don't know if it's...
It need to be warm,
And now
otherwise not
he's
hot.
too hair. He's too hair. It's like a boy.
Yay.
Where's your phone?
Boys don't have long hair
My
like
phone
this.
said now something. Are you sure my phone said something now?
I heard... No,
Just
I
show
heard
me
it
the
sing.
screen.
I heard it say a
Just a
thing.
10. No, just press the button.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's okay. That's pretty fast.
I heard something.
Thank you, Terita.
Something sure. Wow. I'm looking at the camera how they cut your hair.
You're looking at the camera.
It's cool.
You're going to have a chance now to be in the camera as well. Then you can smile and make faces and do whatever you want.